Salute, folks. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today to whap and tap on your head with another ADH Wealth Solution article. Today, we're reading an article from Reuters entitled FINRAs Legality, $1 billion fraud trials, security cases to watch in 2024, a December 29, 2023 article by Jody Godoy. Before I go in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. Courts in 2024 are poised to decide challenges to the power of the U.S. financial regulators, while juries in Manhattan will weigh whether two fund managers committed fraud and financial meltdowns that cost billions of dollars. Here are some securities cases to watch in 2024. Attack on regulators. An appeals court in Washington will likely rule in 2024 on whether the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority's structure is constitutional. A broker-dealer, Alpine Securities Corp., is defending itself against FINRA allegations that it charged customers unlawful fees. The company has argued that FINRA, a private organization with the power to discipline its members, is really a governmental body that should be subject to constitutional restrictions. U.S. securities and commodities exchanges are also classified as self-regulatory organizations and have argued a ruling against FINRA could roil how U.S. markets operate. The Supreme Court is also poised to decide cases on the Consumer Financial Protections Bureau funding source and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's in-house tribunals. SEC versus crypto. Key rulings are likely in the coming year in the SEC's case against major cryptocurrency exchanges Binance and Coinbase. The cases are the biggest on the SEC's crypto enforcement docket and the first against crypto exchanges to be tested in court. Both exchanges have argued that Congress did not empower the SEC to police crypto, an argument judges have rejected in other cases over digital assets. Meanwhile, the SEC is likely to appeal its first loss in the crypto arena in the Ripple Labs case. The judge on the case ruled in July that the blockchain company's sale of digital assets on public cryptocurrency exchanges were not offers of securities. The SEC will be able to challenge that ruling after final judgment is entered in the case. It's really weird. How can it not be if everybody's talking about invest? Once you say invest, it's generally security because there's volatility. Billion-dollar trials. Big financial crime cases brought by top Wall Street prosecutor U.S. Attorney Damian Williams are scheduled to go to trial this year. Bill Huang, the founder of Archegos Capital Management, is scheduled to face trial on fraud charges in February over the collapse of his private investment firm, which he saddled big banks with $10 billion in losses. Huang and former Archegos chief financial officer Patrick Halligan are accused of lying to banks in order to increase Archegos' credit lines and use the borrowed money to manipulate the stock prices of companies including Viacom, Discovery, and Tencent Music Entertainment. Both men have pleaded not guilty, and their attorneys have said in court papers that the trades were lawful even if they backfired. Former Allianz fund manager Gregory Tournant will go on trial in the fall. Prosecutors allege that he lied about the risks involved in a set of funds that imploded in early 2020, costing investors $7 billion. Tournant has pleaded not guilty. His attorneys have said he was scapegoated for the fund's failure by Allianz, which faced an existential threat from a criminal investigation into the company. Allianz's U.S. asset management unit pleaded guilty to securities fraud, and its parent agreed to pay more than $6 billion to resolve federal probes. So, ladies and gentlemen, if these licensed individuals who get recourse to the tune of millions and billions of dollars are still willing to pull wool over the unsuspecting person's eyes, what do you think somebody who's not licensed, who won't get in trouble with the Fed or FINRA or anything for scamming you, like Wall Street Trapper, what do you think he's gonna do? Yeah, join my stock course. Join my stock course for $999,000. I'm gonna teach you how to make a penny. That's going to be it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, wipe ass, work in progress every day and see success. And remember, folks, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.